Hello, Jane. My name is Jose. I believe we spoke to you guys earlier today about sending you guys this video, and so here it is as promised. This in this video, I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on how to get more clients in through your website organically, so that you guys can stop paying Yelp and all those other places that share your leads anyways. So let's stop wasting time and get to it. And keep in mind that you guys can implement these tips by yourselves. Okay, so number one, guys, you want to have more content. Okay, Google and all these search engines love content, and by content I mean your words and your images. Okay, so everything right here, everything that is highlighted is what Google reads. Okay, and you want to save everything as keywords. So let's say this right here, even this image. See how it's saved as logo? You want to save it as Plumbers, Memphis, Tennessee. Plumbers, Jacksonville, Tennessee. You know, that's the words that people type in Google when searching for your services. Those are your keywords, and I suggest you put about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and fill it with keywords. Okay, so that's number one, guys. That's the first tip I have for you guys. And then I pulled you guys up on this tool here that shows me the back end of your website. So you have 769 keywords you're being found for. So now let's see which ones uh, you guys are ranking for. Okay, so Timberline Barkwood, this is national. Nationally, there's 90 searches a month, and you guys are in the first position for that. But that almost doesn't help you, right? Because you want to dominate there locally. Hearthstone Gray Shingles, there has to be a location after this word so that you can rank for it locally. Hartford Shingles, see Memphis Roof Repair. 30 searches a month, you're in the first position for that in the first page. Restoration Roofing, okay, you got 200 searches a month, but you don't know if that's there in your area or nationally. Okay, Red Roof Repair, Memphis. You're in the third position for that, still in the first page, so good job on that. But ideally, you want to be on the first position because the first position takes about 30% of all the searches on Google. And so it decreases as you go down in the position. See the fifth position here. Memphis Roofing Contractors. 30 searches a month, sixth position. Roof Repairs, Memphis, Tennessee. 150 searches a month, sixth position. Still in the first page, but towards the bottom. And as you can see, quickly, you're making it to the second page. Roofers, Memphis, 400 searches a month, and you're not even ranking for it because you're on the second page, and usually nobody makes it to the second page. So you gotta really target these words, guys, so that you can start bringing in more people. And I found about 20 or 30 other words on your competitors' websites that you guys don't even have on your website, and that you could target as well. Memphis Roofers, Roofing Memphis. See all these important ones you're on the second page for. So guys, I really, really, really can't emphasize this enough. Target these keywords and get the first position on the first page so that you can really start getting some more work in. So number 2, backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. And you want not all backlinks are built the same. There's higher quality ones and lower quality ones. The higher quality ones naturally will bring this score higher, and this right here is your front page power, and this is your overall website power. So if you have a backlink on a powerful website, then it will pass some of its power down to yours and then pull your scores up. If you have a backlink on a spammy website or weak websites, then it will pull these scores down. So make sure, guys, that you go after higher quality backlinks and bring these scores up and look better in Google's eyes and therefore rank better. So your third tip I want to give you is on the map pack. On the map pack, you want to rank higher by getting more citations than your competitors, and you want to find out how many your competitors have and get about 20 or 30 more citations. What a citation is every time you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, you get a citation, and you want to get about 20 or 30 more than your competitors to start outranking them. And of course, other factors like reviews and stuff, but that's number one is the citations. So, guys, those are the three tips I wanted to give you guys. You guys can implement these yourselves. Just to recap what we went over, get about 1,500 words on your front page filled with keywords that you want to target. Number two, your backlinks. Get higher quality backlinks so you can get this score up. And number three, citations so you can get onto this map pack here. You guys can implement these yourselves. It just takes some time. But if you guys need any help, feel free to contact me at 806-268-7118. My name is Jose, and I'll be happy to help.